Paobitek maning Leikai Da Leiba Paobitek Polo Ground Paobitek Islamic Multicultural Association PIMCA na SINDUNA team 32 na SARUK YADUNA CHAT-THARAKHIBA 7A state level men's open football tournament ki Paobitek Trophy Paobitek Polo Ground ngasi LOISINKHRE thoramada oinam Lukhoi Singh ex-minister Wangoi AC Alhas Dr. MD Riyajuddin Khan Global Excellence Awardee Superintendent Engineer Power Department of Manipur MD V. Alauddin alias Nanau Social Worker Wabagai AC Leima Pokpam Ivotombi District Supplier Officer Imphal West Fusam Salim Khan Founder cum Managing Director for Wakchau High School Mayang Imphal Vengun Waizamuna Devi ex-chairperson Thongkhong Municipal Council Faruk Khan Manager MSPDCL na chingba masaknaiba miyoy kaya na saruk yaki ngasi sanakiba final match da Boni FC na PICMA FC mai pa pangamkre